Finally, exams are over. I am so relaxed. Economics 1 postponed my trip. But I am glad that my Manali trip is still on.
I see. That's great.
What happened to you? Why are you so sad?
Nothing. It's just that nothing.
Oh, come on. Tell me. You can share things with me.
Well, I am so confused. I don't know what to do next in my life. I don't know whether I should be doing engineering as my cousin is doing, or I should do videography, which I really want to do. But I think I should try for government jobs, because that's what my parents have want me to do. And then I have heard that digital marketing is the new field with lot of job opportunity. I think I should consider that.
I see. Okay.
So that's like 4 to 5 different options. And I don't know which one is right for me. And you are planning to go on a big vacation. How can you be so relaxed? I really don't understand why life is so unfair with me.
Hey, relax. I have got a solution for you.
Okay, then please tell me your solution.
Well, honestly, I was in the same boat couple of days ago. Then I found this advertisement of career counseling online by Liberty Immigration Consultancy Services. I am glad that I contacted them. They did one-on-one career counseling and guided me in the right direction. Studying in abroad was always my passion. So, they helped me choosing right course and I processed my study visa file. I will be getting admission in the January batch.
Oh my god. They will take all your money and vanish.
No, that's not the case. This is a registered and verified business and they are very loyal to their clients. Not everyone is fake as your last agent. Well, I got the right advice. They are also offering various new courses which are exciting. And yes, they have Google certified agents who offer various new courses such as digital marketing too. I think you should visit them once.
But I don't have money for this counseling.
It's free, Samir.
Oh, thank God. I will visit definitely.
Sure. Please visit Liberty Immigration Consultancy Services. Contact 93570666661 or 90562666661.